Hi, my name is Seanna and
Hi,
I recently
myself
completed 4 projects
Drishthalvani.
with
I have
Unified Mentor.
completed my
I just wanted to
internship with
share my
Unified
amazing
Mentor as a
experience.
full stack
Working with
web
Unified
development
Mentor has
intern.
been
It
a
was a
real
great
turning
learning
point.
experience.
The guidance,
I
the
got to
structure, the
work on the
learning path, the
projects
hands on
like
experience, it helped me
whether
build
app, which uses
real
API
life practical
integration, or
skills.
student teacher
Each
booking
project challenged me to
appointments,
think
which also
deeper
uses Firebase
and
and Cloud File
analytically
Store.
to
I
understand
had
industry level
such a
solving
great time
problems.
working on this
What I loved
project, which
most was the mentor support.
makes my
They
knowledge
were
or,
always
or my
available, gave a
theoretical
clear
knowledge worked into
feedback,
the
and pushed me
practical
to
ones.
improve.
It
Because of
improved
these
my
projects,
skills
I
in
now feel
HTML,
more
CSS,
confident in my
JavaScript,
abilities in
and also
applying to
I happen to
skills
learn
to
new
real world
skills like
scenarios.
React,
I
Node,
truly recommend
and
Unified
Firebase
Mentor.
as well.
Thank you,
I
Unified
had
Mentor,
such a great
for
time.
your
Overall, the
incredible support.
mentors in Unified Mentor
Hi,
are
my
so
name is Seanna
supportive.
and
Any
I
doubts can
recently
be
completed
solved
four
if I message
projects
them
with
or
Unified
call them
Mentor.
in any time,
I just
which
wanted to
was a
share
great
my
thing, which
amazing
makes every
experience.
task
Working with
easier.
Unified Mentor has been a
Thank you,
real turning
Unified
point.
Mentor,
The
for
guidance,
giving
the
me this
structure, the
opportunity,
learning
and
path,
I'll
the hands on
recommend to all the
experience, it
students
helped
to
me
gain the
build
work
real life
experience
practical
and the
skills.
real
Each
life
project
experience to
challenged me to
this.
think
Thank you.
deeper